Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable TikTok Shop affiliate links for US creators, beginner guide step by step clearly. To enable TikTok Shop affiliate links as a US creator, start by opening the TikTok app on your mobile device. Log into your TikTok account if you haven't already. Navigate to your profile by tapping on the Me icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to access your settings. Scroll down and select Creator Tools. Find and tap on TikTok Shop to explore the options available for affiliate links. If you haven't joined the TikTok Shop program yet, tap on Sign Up to begin the registration process. Fill in the required information, including your business details and payment information. After submitting your application, wait for approval from TikTok. Once approved, return to the Creator Tools section in your settings. Tap on TikTok Shop again to view your affiliate links dashboard. Here, you'll find your unique affiliate link for products in TikTok Shop. To start promoting products, choose items that align with your content and audience. Use the affiliate link in your video's captions or during live streams. Encourage your followers to click on the link to purchase the products. Monitor your earnings and performance through the TikTok Shop dashboard to optimize future promotions. Regularly check for updates on product offerings and new affiliates to keep your content fresh. This concludes the process for enabling TikTok Shop affiliate links for US creators. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.